Welcome back to the unit on unit rate in percentages. Today's lesson is about measuring with different sized units. The goal of today's lesson is that you can compare units and decide whether it takes more or less of each compared to the other to measure the same quantity. So for example, measuring this pencil with centimetres and inches. Centimetres are smaller. This is the length of a centimetre, whereas this is the length of an inch. So it's going to take more centimetres to measure the same pencil. The pencil is about 14 centimetres in length, whereas it's about 5.5 inches. And measuring volume, comparing gallons and litres, we can see that this gallon is much larger than the litre, so it's going to take fewer gallons to measure the same volume of liquid. So looking at the carton of milk here, it just takes half a gallon, whereas it takes 1.89 litres. It takes fewer gallons because the gallon is bigger. And if you're comparing weights with pounds and kilograms, pounds are smaller, so it's going to take more pounds. So looking at the bag of flour here, it's going to take 5 pounds to measure this bag of flour, whereas in kilograms it's just 2.26 kilograms. So to summarize, if you measure the same quantity with different units, it will take more of the smaller unit and less of the larger unit to express the same measurement. So the goal of today's lesson was to compare units and decide whether it takes more or less of each compared to the other. And that's the end of today's lesson.